Digitization is a key focus for this regional government, and with the NUNAV app, it was the whole package that impressed us. It means that with the help of artificial intelligence, we can get our guests to the Citizens Festival stress-free, getting them to park outside and directing them to public transport, which is good for the environment. We have therefore said we would like to partner with NUNAV. What was still important for me was that you can arrange special transport for special guests. As a government spokesperson, I really liked that I could give the journalists extra help by saying, if you register as a journalist, we will direct you straight to the parking spaces near the press center. It's similar for the people who arranged it, so we can also set up special access points. I think that's an interesting feature, especially for traffic management.